You want to kiss?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Mm-mm.
Ew.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tevin.
And it's your girl Kayla.
And we're back with another video. And today, you read the title. The 100 Chicken Nuggets in 10-minute challenge. Right here, what you see is 100 chicken nuggets. We are about to ingest. Are you excited?
I'm excited because I haven't ate all day and I am super duper hungry.
In the words of Crackhead Bobby, I'm hungry.
Okay, babe.
All right. Yeah, so we got a bunch of different sauces and everything. So, yeah, we about to get down. So, we're going to go 10 minutes and then, you know, if we happen to have any left, we're going to count them, see how many we have left. So,
and then I have my timer ready. I know you probably can't see, but it's at 10 minutes countdown.
Yeah, so I got a, you know, a strategy on how to do this. I'm gonna eat the nuggets naked without any sauce first, and till I get tired of that, then I'm gonna go into the sauces. So it's like a refreshing taste, because I know a lot of people don't finish it because they get tired of the taste and it goes bad. It's not necessarily because they're full. So,
well, you see me, I'm over here opening my sauce.
She cracking open sauce
because I'm a saucy person and he knows that, and everyone who knows me knows I'm a saucy person.
Let's go! All right, you got the timer ready?
Yes, I do. I'm hungry.
Are you ready?
I'm born ready.
All right, let's get that timer going. Ready,
set, go.
Oh,
yes. I'm in heaven right now. You know that?
What?
I'm in heaven right now.
What?
I'm in heaven right now.
What?
I'm in heaven right now.
What are you saying?
I'm in heaven right now.
Oh, okay. Couldn't hear you.
Are you keeping track?
No.
Where am I putting on?
How the nuggets taste?
Delicious.
Oh, okay. I couldn't hear you. You good.
I lost count.
Yeah. I'm gonna be able to keep counting this whole time. Two minutes down.
He's killing it. I'm taking my sweet time, trying all the different sauces.
Dry nuggets. Good.
What's this one?
What's that?
Southwest. What's that? Ugh.
What?
Don't try this sauce, it's gross.
What is that?
Habanero ranch.
Habanero?
Yeah, that's gross. Well, it's kind of spicy, and I like spicy. It's just weird. I don't want to take any sips because I know when I drink during my meals, I get full a lot faster, and as if that would be anyone else. You're sipping. I can't do that.
You gotta get it to go down.
Because you're eating it dry.
Alright. Sauce time.
Too bad my little cousin Lila isn't here. She would help us. She'd probably eat all these nuggets. Nuggets are her favorite thing.
Yeah.
Let's go to McDonald's. Let's go get nuggets.
Maybe you gotta get down.
I just said I can't too fast.
Don't chew it. Swallow it.
And I'm not really good at like competitions, I'd say. Like our last competition with me and Kevin, I love hot stuff, and like I can't do like watching people like, what do you call it, competitive eating. I can't do that. I love to take my time, eat my food, enjoy it, savor it, and just love it. The beauty of food.
What are you talking about?
Just people can just like shove it down their mouth like, no, I can't do that. But maybe I am in a different state right now because I did kill someone at the wings challenge.
Who?
You.
You only beat me by a little bit.
I finished it, you didn't.
So,
I know you don't like hot stuff.
I don't know why you got this door.
Because it was smoky in here. It was burning the place down. You have 3 minutes.
Gotta get going. See how many we can get.
I'm getting full.
I'm getting food. I was so hungry.
And I'm
but now I'm
thirsty
getting
now.
food. 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Like pouring it out, it didn't look like a lot, but now like eating these, I have no idea. Maybe you guys are keeping track for me. Kudos to you. But I feel it. And I can't look at him. Grossing me out.
Okay, look at you.
Why?
Your head big.
You got the big head.
Nugget head.
Shut up.
It's a nugget head.
Babe, I'm getting full.
You better eat, girl. You better eat you some
I hope you guys have been
nuggets.
keeping track, and hopefully I
Yeah.
did get to 30.
No, definitely not.
Well,
I probably barely got to 30.
I ate more than 10 for sure.
It's probably
Excuse me, probably 15 or 20.
about 30 or 40 nuggets there. We got 1 minute, guys.
Oh my gosh. Why did I listen to you? Why am I doing
I
that?
don't know. People was doing a lot of complaining about it smells so bad and the grease in my stomach. I don't feel all that. It's just getting full.
They probably don't eat nuggets like that then. I'm not saying we eat nuggets like that, but this is something I get from McDonald's every now and then.
That feels good. 20 seconds. We're not gonna finish, but
Oh my gosh. What? I know. Done. Ew, stop. I hope you swallow all that.
I got you.
Ugh, don't look at me.
Let's go. Let's talk on here.
You should even do that throughout the whole video then. So gross.
I'm thinking on the phone. Give me a kiss.
Babe.
Give me a kiss.
You want a kiss?
Give me a kiss.
Why?
Give me a kiss.
Ew. Ew, this is so gross. Why did I just kiss him like that? Ew.
Nasty.
I love my baby. Okay, I'm about done with you now.
Stop counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
36.
And we get over half though.
Ugh.
Girl! If you enjoyed this video, babe, tell them what to do.
If you liked our video, like the video down below and
Like it.
subscribe to us.
Subscribe to the channel. What are y'all doing?
And you know,
Subscribe to the
if you want
channel.
to stalk us, you're more than welcome. Now be in the link down below. Our Instagram, our Twitter, our Snapchats.
Subscribe if you want to keep up with our content. We about to be posting. We about to drop bangers. And if you want to know when the bangers are coming out, you got to subscribe to the channel. You got to, man.
All right, guys, that's all we got for you. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.
Peace out.
What did you get?